If you suspect that your Robinhood account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website or app. Before starting recovery, use the xrok.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process, allowing you to reset your password. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Robinhood account. Make sure to use the one you registered with to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a password reset email or SMS from Robinhood. Follow the link or instructions provided in the message to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication to FA in your account settings for added security. This will help protect your account from future unauthorized access. After completing these steps, you should have regained access to your Robinhood account. Always monitor your account for any unusual activity and consider changing your password regularly for enhanced security.